Hello, so this is my Apple Watch. I am so happy about this. This is one of my favorite setup of the Apple face. Sometimes I like to use this I use this at work because it's just so nice because of the features in it. It has a personalized photo. I can set my timer because usually I use my timer at work, and it's just easier to have it in my Apple Watch. Like I can do 5 minutes, 7 minutes, for example, like that. And it will vibrate in my hand when the time is up, and it won't disturb other workmates. So yeah, and it is so nice because it has this digital clock, or what they call a military time, and it's just so easy to look at. And there's also a date and what day it is, and it's so cute. See, I don't have any notifications. What else? But if I'm not at work, I usually use this kind of clock so that I can estimate how many hours or minutes left in my errands or something, if you know what I mean. I also like this Minnie Mouse. It's just the hands are so difficult to read because I don't know which one are the small or the big. I don't know, the long hand and the short hand. But I also like it because we can see the temperature, like it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So if you double like your two fingers, it's like
12:11.
Right?
It's 12.
Cute. I also like this. It's just a minimalist kind of time. And from this kind of setup, I can also unlock and lock my car using this. See, I nicknamed it as Dragon, but let's not use that. And there's also a timer, a date and a date and the day. But yeah, as what I've said, I like to use this at work because it's just so it's easy and it's so cute.